Hi, so today I'm going to quickly cover how you can kind of diagnose some issues just by using the developer console when you're designing a website. Now, if you're a web developer, you probably already know this and you'll probably do a much better job. But for web designers, people who don't really know code, and who just like the design aspect, this is really a really simple way on how to get to the root of a potential issue. So, first off, this is a site that I'm currently, it's still in development, so just ignore a lot of the information on it. But if you notice down here, I've purposely placed a little yellow dot here. And what's just happened is I've come from the Elementor group and I've just helped a person find an issue because they had a white section at the bottom of their page and a dot there and they couldn't remove it for the life of them. So what I did is I'm basically reenacting this whole process. So the first thing I do is I right click and do inspect. Okay, now this may show up differently for you. It may show up at the bottom of the page. Either way, it's the exact same thing. So let me just split the page. Okay, so you can see that it's already highlighted an area of the page, which is actually this dot here. Now, let's just say you wanted to find something else on the page. What you can do is on this side, if you click on this little button here, select an element in the page to inspect it, and then you hover, and what you can see, it's actually highlighting all the different components of the page, all the little different pieces of HTML in it, and it even highlights it to tell you which one it is. So I'm trying to see how to get rid of this, or what's even going on here. Why is this displaying at the bottom of my page? So all I would do is click on this and it's highlighted that there. Now you can see if you actually inspect it carefully, you can actually see, I'll just zoom in a bit, that it's in between. Now, you don't really need to know HTML and CSS in order to do this, but it would help you out a little bit if you learn the basics, which you can actually cover in a day. You won't become an expert, but it will give you an idea. So these are P tags here. And what it's done, P tags is usually what you put text in, paragraph. P stands for paragraph. And what you can see is actually a dot. So if I actually type something like hello, that will change to hello, and you can see that it says hello there. So I know that this dot is causing me an issue and I want to get rid of it, but where? Now, if I look a little closer here, I can see that this P tag is actually in another element called a div, and it's the title of that element, the class of it, is Elementor Text Editor and Elementor Clear Fix. Now, sometimes it may be titled something else, but I know that for when I build websites, I use a plugin called Elementor. So I know it's something to do with Elementor. And that's basically how you start diagnosing and seeing, what's the issue here. And a lot of the time it can be some conflict with a WordPress site, or if you copy and paste it and you get some hidden code which is causing issues. And just by doing this one simple thing, by again right clicking, inspect element, and then you click on this and you can see bang, you click on the area that's causing issues, and if you just, it looks intimidating if you don't know HTML, but if you look really carefully, you can actually, it does give you it does tell you where the problem may lie. So if it is an issue with Elementor, then all I would really do, just to really test it, is head over to the plugin section and deactivate Elementor to see if it vanishes, or whatever plugin maybe which we could see. So for example, the person that I just helped, the issue, the link text was that's not it. Let me see if I can. This was the link text that was causing the issue, and this is what I found. And as I looked closer, I could see text add, text add, text add, text adds, text adds, text add links. So very quickly, I thought, maybe because I've not actually seen the plugins that this person's used, perhaps it's something to do with an advert-like plugin. And it turns out that it was Facebook Pixel that was causing the issue. And once they deactivated it, the issue went away. So that's usually how I personally start finding potential issues that I just cannot solve for the life of me. Anyway, I hope this helped, and thank you for watching.